Where are we going, human?
We're going to Crescent Beach, Mama.
Oh, yay, I'm excited. I love going to the beach. Oh, it's beautiful here.
It totally is. Let's set up a tent so you don't get sunburnt.
Oh, look, there's a lot of seagulls over there. I'll keep an eye on them in case they drown in the water.
Okay, Mama, you be the lifeguard.
Can we go closer to the water later?
Sure we can.
Okay, go ahead and tan. I'll sit here in the shade.
I'll be back, okay, Mama? You sit here in the tent.
I'll be here.
Oh, hey, Mama, I'm back. I see you're still sitting in the tent. I made something for you.
What did you make?
Voila! You like it?
Oh, I love it! Hey, human, there's a little girl over there that wants to say hi to me. Can we go over there?
Sure, Mama. Let's go.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahamas, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Up the Florida Keys, there's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, oh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty. Oh, hello, little girl. Oh, she's so cute. I want a hug from the little girl. Can I please hug her? Human, please.
Of course, Mama. I'm sure she'd love to hug you back.
Oh, squeeze. Oh, she's suffocating me. Okay, get off now. Get off now. You're just like Elmira from Tiny Toons. Bye-bye. That girl squeezed me so hard, I let out a toot. Did you smell it?
I tasted it. Thanks. How about we take some pictures, Mama? You ready?
Okay. You tasted my fart. Haha.
Getting hungry here. Let's go get something to eat.
Sure. Can I get a tequila?
No.
Well, what about some beer?
Just water, Mama.
I'm old enough.
No.
Fine, water, but keep rubbing my chin.
Oh, I will.
Can we go to the park and get some ice cream later?
Sure, but you can only have a lick, though. Just lick.
Cool. This is different. It looks like they're making crepes. It looks so good. But why am I only allowed one lick of ice cream?
Sugar's not good for you, darling.
Okay. I'm getting tired now, human. Can we go home soon?
We'll go after we eat the ice cream. Did you have fun today, though?
I did. Thank you.
Aw, you're all tired. Okay, fine. Let's go home.
Good night, human. I love you. Wake me up when we're home, okay?
I love you too, Mama. I'm glad you had a good day.